Behind every iconic fashion brand lies a story of craftsmanship, precision, and efficiency. This is ours. Welcome to the world of Zayad, where we don't just manufacture fashion, we perfect it. It starts with a challenge. One of the biggest names in the fashion industry entrusts us with their vision. Thousands of pieces, various distinct styles, and no room for error. For us, every order is more than a task. It's a promise. The first hurdle is getting it right. Our design team begins by diving deep into the heart of the client's brand. What does their vision look like? How do they want their product to feel? These aren't just questions. They are the foundation of everything that follows. Each design element must reflect the brand's unique identity, from color schemes to fabric choice. Every nuance is important, and every decision scrutinized. And when the client finally says yes, the real work begins. Every thread, every button, every zipper must align with the vision. Our sourcing team leaves no stone unturned to find the perfect materials. Sampling is where we turn ideas into reality. It's the bridge between imagination and execution. Quality of the raw materials is as crucial as the design itself, and we leave no stone unturned in ensuring we get it just right. With the green light, it's time to move forward. Production ramps up and the pressure intensifies. But at Zayad, pressure isn't something we fear. It's something we thrive under. The production floor is where we turn our plans into action. The hum of machines, the rhythm of workers focused on their craft, all add up to one thing: precision. From automated machines to hand-finished details, everything has its place in the process. But quality defines us. Each piece passes through multiple quality control checks. From inspecting the stitching to ensuring the colors are true to the client's specifications, we make sure everything is flawless. If it's not perfect, it doesn't leave the factory. There are no shortcuts. Every garment that leaves our factory is a testament to our dedication and our unwavering commitment to quality. A partnership built on collaboration, on shared goals, and on an unwavering commitment to excellence. Each garment tells the story of a brand, of a vision, and of a dream that's been brought to life through hard work, dedication, and passion. When our craftsmanship becomes part of a brand's legacy, when we've done our job right, we can take pride in knowing that our work is now woven into the fabric of something much bigger than us. It's a success not just for us, but for the brands we serve and for the industry as a whole.